YouTube video ideas or channel ideas to make it your full-time career. Hey, it's Hussain here, and अपनी इस वीडियो की तारीफ बात में करते हैं. First, let's jump start the topic. The first 5 ideas: entertainment, tutorials, tech, learning and teaching, and at the end, skills teaching. So these are the 5 topics which are majorly getting viewed on YouTube right now globally. So let's deep dive into it one by one. The number 1, entertainment, like movie clips, drama clips, personal vlogs. Then comes the motivational vlogs. Now motivational vlogs are of 2 types. Either आप खुद से बनाओ your personal created motivational vlogs, और secondly आप videos को जोड़कर शॉर्ट क्लिप्स को आप जोड़कर, जैसे कि बी इंस्पायर्ड वाले करते हैं जिनकी 8 to 9 मिलियन की फॉलोइंग है, छोटे क्लिप्स को जोड़कर वॉइस ओवर बैकग्राउंड में लगा के एंड मोटिवेशन वीडियो बना देना. The another one, the animated videos, which also comes under the entertainment niche, and creating the public figures biographies, वो भी एक entertainment है. So these all the videos which are getting most number of views nowadays on YouTube are under the niche of entertainment. Friends, talking about the next major niche, the tutorials. Restoration tutorial, restoration of different materials, the science tutorial videos, DIY like do it by yourself videos, skills tutorials, screen sharing. बहुत से ऐसे ऑनलाइन ट्यूटोरियल्स हैं जो स्क्रीन शेयर करके सिखाए जाते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल इफ यू वांट टू लर्न ग्राफिक डिजाइनिंग, सो वो स्क्रीन शेयरिंग से सिखाई जाती है एंड इट इज जस्ट बेस्ट. एंड द लास्ट वन इज हाउ टू डू ट्यूटोरियल, हाउ टू डू दैट, हाउ टू डू दैट, हाउ टू डू X, Y and Z. So friends, let's jump start our third niche, which is tech. Now what is tech? Tech is science and technology. और में different tech gadgets की unboxings हैं, reviews हैं, comparisons हैं, first impressions, last impressions, and all such kind of things. The next one is tech experiments. बहुत से ऐसे YouTubers हैं, like kind of million of followers उनकी. Friends, you can share tech news, you can share tech reports. Last but not the least, in the tech niche, you can also share the global tech trends. What is trending now in the world in the field of science and technology. So tech is the niche which is innovative. ये ना ही सिर्फ कभी ना खत्म होने वाली niche है, बल्कि ये एक innovative है. Friends, talking about the fourth video idea, lectures and teaching. Course videos, you can share whole courses, or you can create a playlist on a particular course, and then comes the online courses, then comes the offline courses, like how to be a good photographer, videography courses, or any online like freelancing courses, like Amazon courses, like business courses. So there are a lot of topics on which you can create videos and get a quite fine amount of money. Friends, last but not the least, even the king of all these niches, or the king of all these video topics for your full-time career, the skills. The sub-niches which come among the skills are online skills, offline skills, sports skills, like you can be a mentor or a coach, a YouTube coach. Photography skills, videography skills, materialistic skills means that how to create a particular material, how to create that object, another object, and another object, X, Y, Z. So you can, in other words, teach people and can share your skills with people, and you can help them to create their careers. So in this way, this cycle will continue and will go on. Well friends, tell me down in the comment section below that आपको कौन सी niche सबसे ज़्यादा पसंद आई है, that आप इनमें से किस niche में सबसे ज़्यादा qualified हो और आप उसी पर वीडियोस बनाना चाहते हो और अपना एक पूरा YouTube career set करना चाहते हो. And friends, if you loved this video, I think you may subscribe my channel and activate notifications, because in my next videos I am gonna make dedicated video on each of these sub niches, on each of these topics, and how to be skillful and how to master that niche, how to master that each particular niche. It is a very difficult question to answer. So friends, I want to make it very easy for you to create a complete and a full YouTube career. So I think so you will subscribe my channel. And friends, at that I want to say